नमस्कार, मैं हूं भारती सकलानी और आप देख रहे हैं हमारी एक ख़ास प्रस्तुति जिसमें हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं अपने ख़ास मेहमानों को। और यहाँ आपको बताएं कि निम्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर में चल रही है प्री कॉन्फ्रेंस कोर्स फॉर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ 29th IACDE एंड 22nd IES और डेंटल कोर्सेज यहाँ पर प्री कॉन्फ्रेंसेस इसमें चल रही है। और हमारे साथ इसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत जिन खास लोगों ने ली थी वो मौजूद है, उनसे हम बातचीत सीधे करेंगे। हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस्टर अमित बारन, बिजनेस कोऑर्डिनेटर फॉर SAF सिस्टम। इसके अलावा हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर ज़वी मेट्ज़गर, फॉर्मर डीन ऑफ डेंटल स्कूल इजराइल से हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर तोमर, चेयरमैन और चांसलर निम्स यूनिवर्सिटी। हमारे साथ डॉक्टर विनोद कुमार है, प्रोफेसर ऑक्सफोर्ड डेंटल कॉलेज बेंगलोर के। और हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर YG रेड्डी, प्रिंसिपल डेंटल कॉलेज। इनसे हम बातचीत करेंगे और जानेंगे कि क्या मकसद रहा है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का। इन्हीं तमाम मुद्दों पर हम बातचीत करेंगे। डॉक्टर अमित, मिस्टर अमित, क्या कुछ what is the main purpose of this conference, or how do you feel to be a participant in this conference?
First of all, I feel very great regarding the conference. I think it comes to increase the knowledge, especially in the endodontic profession. And we came here to NIMS University all the way from Israel, and we were amazed to see the level of education, especially in the dental school where they hosted. Feel very, very nice.
So how do you feel to be participating in this conference?
I came here from a small country, Israel, and I came here to share knowledge about the new endodontic system, the SAF file, with my colleagues in India. I'm really impressed with the achievements of this project of NIMS University. As a person coming from Israel, we adore pioneering spirit, and this is the really fulfillment of pioneering spirit, the project of NIMS University that was started from fields, empty fields, and today is an amazing complex of knowledge. And we are very impressed also with the dental school headed by Dr. Reddy, who is heading a group of people who are talented faculty, who are recruited from all over India and are doing here something really amazing in the middle of Rajasthan.
Okay, how do you feel that how this conference will help for Israel? If we can say that, what is the beneficial of this conference? Do you think that it will be beneficial for Israel?
The benefit is that I'm exposed here to a large group of professionals, highly qualified professionals, with whom we can start to develop scientific collaborations. We already started some collaboration of that kind in Mumbai, which are very fruitful, and I hope that during this Congress we'll be able, other than spreading the word of Israeli knowledge and Israeli product, to make connection and make scientific collaborations with very highly knowledgeable and very talented people in the endodontic community in India.
Dr. Tomar, this conference is held in NIMS University. What is the main purpose of this conference?
Well, the main purpose of this conference is to sharing the knowledge. And this pre-conference workshop is being held here in NIMS University, in which the people will do the actual practical aspect and discussions. And these types of things, they help the people, scientists among themselves, and to the learners people, they achieve more for getting more exposure. So I think it will be more beneficial to the whole dental college as a whole and the Department of Endodontics as a particular.
Sir, how do you feel you are participating in this conference? What do you think, and how do you feel?
Participating is conducting the course.
Okay.
So I first of all thank the NIMS University for giving us an opportunity. I represent the Indian Endodontic Society as well as the Indian Academy of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to just talk about our association. We are 3,000 members, and endodontics is a growing field, and to the general public we are saving their teeth. So the whole concept, when there is to be a pain, we used to lose the teeth, but today we as a specialist are teaming up together to experience the new knowledge and also to tell people that the teeth can be saved even at the most bad stage. Please come to us and decide before you go in for an extraction. And thank you all for giving us a wonderful opportunity to conduct the conference in your college.
For the students, what would you like to say?
Students, yes, we have about close to 1,500 students attending the conference. It's a great experience for them because we have people from the international faculty who have come us and going to share the knowledge, and there are also national speakers, and it's going to be a wonderful scientific extravaganza for them.
Okay. Sir, for NIMS students, what would you like to say that this conference, how much it is beneficial?
They are exposed to all the international speakers, national speakers, and हिंदी में बोलना है तो मसाला बढ़ता है ना, वो फील्ड है ये एंडोडोंटिक्स बोलते हैं तो मसाला बढ़ता है.
Okay.
Why I'm telling masala? If I tell endodontics, you can't understand. Then root canal, I think you can understand.
Yeah, I can
This is the field of root canal. Masala बढ़ता है ना.
Okay.
This is the basic thing. Cavities, they'll fill it. If the cavity is more, they'll do the root canal. Here, some international people speakers are there, our national speakers are there. They're going to teach new methods, new instruments, how to work, latest equipment in the world, how to work with that equipment, and they're going to do the hands-on course.
Okay.
So we have a lecture as well as hands-on course. This hands-on course will be relayed from the clinics to auditorium and various classrooms.
Okay.
So they are going to learn from these international speakers and national speakers. And I would like to thank our chairman for providing, the budget is huge.
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए किस तरीके से देखते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कितना बेनिफिशियल होगा, और जो नए मेथड्स यहाँ बता रहे हैं कि इंटरनेशनल मेथड्स जो होते हैं, अगर हम बात करें यहाँ बच्चों की, तो क्या कुछ नया सीखने को उन्हें मिलेगा?
See, first thing they'll get exposed.
Okay.
What is this machine? What is this technique? This new technique. After coming years, we'll purchase. Sir will allot some budget. We'll start practicing the new equipment, new latest.
Basically, to add on what Sir says, I am going to train people on microscopes today, which is something which is new, where you get to see the tooth in a little more bigger side. So the precision and refinement in doing a job is going to be at a very different level. Okay. And we are not very back from the international community. We are just going fast and catching up them. And microscopes and magnifications is the next thing which is going to catch up in our profession. And today the training is more focused on microscopes and the newer advancements which Dr. Medzer and myself will be sharing.
ओके सर, अगर हम बात करें निम्स के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, अब इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस यहाँ पर हो रही है, पैर पसार रहा है विदेशों में भी और ऑलरेडी है, लेकिन अब जो है नया एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है, तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए किस तरीके से आप देखते हैं?
Well, it's very good for the students, young faculty, because they are being exposed, will do the interaction with the Professor Medzer, the renowned personality, Dr. Kumar, renowned personality, and this Baron. So I think it's a very good chance for my students to learn, expose, learn new techniques, and young faculty can also have the good idea to learn, and the older one, they can exchange the views and involve more and more researchers. So I think with this, I also welcome to our honorable guests, Mr. Medzer, Dr. Professor Medzer, and Amit Baran, Professor Kumar, and my principal, Dr. Reddy, who is a very dynamic person. So I think with all this thing, things are going very good, and I hope things will go very good.
Okay. Amit, what would you like to say, your experiences in NIMS University and about this conference?
As I said, we come from Israel. We think education is very, very important. And seeing the level of education and professionalism here in NIMS University, I can only say that even Israeli institutions have a lot to learn from this institution, and I hope to see some cooperation in the future.
Okay. Zimmerz, yeah.
The program is just starting. The program is going to start in auditorium, and Miss India is covering the total program.
Yeah.
As well as inaugural function, and the speakers who are giving the hands-on course.
Okay.
That also you are going to cover.
Okay, yeah, बिल्कुल हम यही.
What I mean, after 3-4 hours, you can take another interview in dental college if possible.
Okay.
We'll brief you. He can tell you more of his experience.
Okay. Sir, what is the main purpose? Exactly, the program is yet going to be started. Yeah, earlier sir has said. So, what new techniques you are going to tell the students?
we have developed in Israel a new technology for use in root canal treatment. The common technology is using instruments which are very useful and very helpful when you treat canals that are normal canals. But when you come to canals which are oval canals, there is no instrument that can really effectively clean them. And we came to demonstrate and to teach about a new instrument developed in Israel, which is called the self-adjusting file, and with which some people already work also in India. And research is coming to the stage of publication with several research projects done in India. And we hope to have a better and a more fluent collaboration. And just on a personal note, it's my third time in India, and every time I'm more and more impressed. I come from a very young country, and I'm really deeply impressed with the history of India, with the cultures in India. But now I also have a very unique experience of finding such an institution like the NIMS University and such a leader like Dr. Tomar that established it. It's the main impression that I'll carry home is that in India things happen very fast. Namely, even if my colleagues said that India is catching up with the world, I think it's not only catching up, it will catch and pass the world in terms of technology, in terms of knowledge, and in terms of everything.
Would you like to add something?
Just thank you very much for everything, for the hospitality, Dr. Tomar, Dr. Reddy, and we hope to come here again.
Okay, thank you so much. तो निम्स यूनिवर्सिटी में ये कॉन्फ्रेंस यहाँ पर चल रही है और आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। उम्मीद यही करेंगे कि इस नई टेक्निक से बच्चों को, युवाओं को कुछ नया सीखने को मिले। इसी के साथ इस खास प्रस्तुति में इतना ही। नमस्कार।